we still have to have a courier to tie it up with us. As of now, wala pa. So kaya medyo mabigat in our part. Even we ship it through postal and then we have arrangement din, mataas pa rin ang shipping cost eh. And although we are tempted to downgrade the quality of the condensed copy, we don't want to do that. Una, we should present the country. When we are selling the country, when we are selling the Filipino people, the product, the culture itself, kailangan we go first class eh. So we have to use a good quality paper. So we use a C2S, heavy stock. Although heavy din sa dala bulsa namin. So yun ang ano namin. We should not short sell our country. Yun ang ano namin. And we produce this condensed copy every quarter. So it serves as a teaser, una, of what they can find online. Number two, it's a constant reminder of the website. Kasi tayo, we are human beings, we tend to be forgetful. After 5 seconds, I told you the name of the website, you might forget. So if you have something, a hard copy to hold on to, that will serve as a reminder. Pala ma-remind ho. So far, maganda naman ang hits natin. We have more or less mga 210 to 250,000 hits per month. So medyo maganda ho. So unique visitors ho natin, we have around 300 unique visitors every day. So this one way we can monitor. So maraming ng ano ho, and then we have noticed also through the feedback system namin, maraming inquiries from our the product, the artists that we feature, even the inventors. We have inventors that we feature in the magazine, online magazine, pero wala sa hard copy. And he still received a lot of inquiries. He's a Japanese-born biologist, pero yung produkto niya, pinifeature natin, invention, everything from the Philippines. He migrated after the Second World War. So, may pamilya na dito na Pinay, he brought up a whole family everywhere. So, pinifeature din as a Filipino inventor. Pero i-ano ho natin, under the news article, kasi walang siyang dugo Pinoy, yun ang ano ho natin. Yun lang ang difference ho natin. So pinalagay ho namin sa news, hindi nilagay sa inventor. Pero yung invention niya, marami.